Dangote trailer. A trailer that wastes destinies. A trailer that is anointed to ruin people's life. The man's trailer has ruined and cut short many destinies. Dangote trailer. And somebody's rich and he's still. I'm not even talking about properties. Me personally. If I want to sue that man, I'll make money. It has damaged my filling stations, damaged my pump, damaged many things. We didn't talk, we replaced it. I know at least 14 people who are dead to that trailer. So that 14, I know 14. The drivers are untrained, no driver license, and always high. Celebration TV, if you mute this sound, as I'm talking, if you mute it.
Apostle Johnson Suleman, he don't para. He don't para to Dangote. He don't para. Now that you get drunk, you're trying to kill everybody for the street. Now that you get drunk, not only you get drunk, not only you get drunk for Nigeria, not only you get up. The man don't para. Invest for Dangote. You are drunk, just to kill everybody, just to kill everybody, just to kill everybody. What's the apple? What's the apple? I said, man, keep quiet, I don't keep quiet. Invest. He give Dangote final warning. Say, if you are drunk, do PM again, kill everybody again. We go see. We go see. We go see. The man don't lament. Say so many of the things when the talk don't destroy. See, Dangote go just give truck to people who say they on highness. People wey they on highness. People wey they are not well trained. Don't just give them truck. Say when they just use am. Why? Just they keep people anyhow. Dangote why now? Why? The man don't para. Even very dark man too don't para. Very dark man say himself will come for the house himself. When you are truck don't kill, he kill one, he kill two, he kill three, and nothing dey happen. Is it because you are Dangote? Is it because you are Dangote? Is it because you are Dangote? So if you are Dangote, so anything can happen. You can do away with anything. And nothing will happen. The man don't para. Everybody don't para. Dangote was the problem. You are talking just to keep people. Just to keep people. Just to keep people. And you know one thing there? Most of these Dangote truck, if they observe well, majority of them are underage. Majority of them are underage. Now small pikin. Majority of them are small pikin though. Under 18. When we say some of them say they still need to go to their mother and suck breast again, you know. But because they are from maybe Dangote region or so, you go just give them work. May they just use and just do one or two things. You go just give them work. And the thing is killing Nigerians. Dangote, you just need to help us. You just need to help us. On a serious note. Because if you kill all of us, who go remain? Who go remain buy your product? If all of us come buy, who will come buy your product? You don't get the market again now. You don't get the market again. You never get the market again. There will be no market for you. There will be no market for you. There will be no market for you. I mean, there will be no market for you. Let me just say, I just the talker. There will be no market for you. So you just need to help us. You just need to because this is just it don't invest me. It don't invest me. It don't man I hold me you. It don't invest me. vex me. What is happening with Dangote? You kill all of us finish. You kill all of us finish for this country. That be so now. But okay.